Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, graduating class of 2014. Now I need to tell you how very proud I am today. Thanks to my teachers for the fantastic role, for their time and energy. I have learned so much and made lots of friends. This is a great day. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Rai. Very well said.